Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much all for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And today we will be doing a live trading session. So I'm just looking at the market. Market is currently dancing between plus and minus, and today is the expiry day for futures and looking at the chart of Nifty, the first super trend took it up and second super trend took it down. Next it will take some time and it will go hit the next super trend, and it needs to go towards the next Bollinger Band line, upper line. Meanwhile, there are stock like CIPLA who's open, if you see, 649.55 and low is 649.55. Potential of the stock is still higher, at least so the high of this particular stock is 664, right? By end of the day, the stock has good potential, so we will buy with a cover order. Let's buy around 700 stocks. Let's keep 1% stop loss, and then we will almost wait. Let's try to hit 1:1 ratio, or else more than 1:1, 2:1 ratio. But depending on the stock movement, for now, we'll just wait till the end of the day and see till where the stock can move, and we then book profit. So 6 rupees will be the 1%, right? 6 rupees, so 6 rupees 50 paisa. So I would say 653 is a stop loss. So stop loss should be always strict. This is where you have to take your loss. Okay, this should be very strict. It's okay if stop loss hits, because if you have a good risk and reward ratio, and depend on your accuracy, so how much times your trade will hit is important, right? So based on that, so 659.60 is where we have taken for now. Then let's leave it for the end of the day. So either your accuracy should be 90 plus, or else if your accuracy is at least 60%, at least you should have a risk reward ratio of 2:1 or 3:1. If you have so much, and if you have a 60% accuracy, is also more than enough. Okay, so I'll be doing those things in the upcoming days. I'll be doing videos on risk reward ratios, risk management. There are few things, most of them should learn, but as of now we all are learning. I'm teaching all the beginners how to pick the right stock, how the stock moves. This is what we are observing, right? So first let's learn that, because you are in a learning phase. It's not that you have to go jump and learn the last stage. So learn all this basic stage. Slowly I will teach you the risk reward ratios and many other things, and when I follow risk reward ratio, and when I skip it, and when you should follow it. There are a lot of ways to handle it. If you handle that automatically, you will, end of the day, you will be in profit. That is more important. It's all about money management and risk management. That I will teach you later. If I tell you now, everything will go above your head, and you will think, you won't understand, right? So first let's go by basic and basic. Slowly let's learn. We have a lot of time. Anyways, today is Friday, so I thought I'll record one video for you guys. We have done so many observation videos, so you've seen a lot of things. So if you see, currently the stock is almost 1 rupee down. So what we will do, anyways, we have put only half of our capital to this particular trade, considering today is Friday, and considering the stock was in negative, and it is coming towards positive bit now, but it is neutral anyways. So what I'll do, I'll add little more value to it. I'll try to add little more, 200 more stocks, and see at this level, so that I can average out my price. Either I can wait for a little more time and then average it out, or else currently I will average it out. If it goes further, then we will see if we want to average more. We'll add little more stock, and I'll keep again 6 rupees only, so 652 for order and give a buy. So we have averaged it out. It is at 659.31. so if you see 659.59 was the initial price. Now our average price is 659.31, and we bought it at 658.30. so we'll wait for some more time. Let's look at the graph. It should be going towards its Bollinger Band line of 657. So finally we waited for the whole day as we told, and we saw where the stock has gone up to. And if you see, I sold the stock at 3:18 p.m. So we bought it at 359.59 of 700 shares and 200 shares of 658.3. So average was 659.30. So almost 3 rupees is the target. So that is more, it's like close to 0.5%. 0.5% into 20 times the margin is 10% profit for us for the day. And to show you the graph, so what happened end of the day, considering the 1 hour candle, it went up to 315 candle. If you see over here, the green one, it has gone up to 664. So it didn't break its own high. The first candle, it was the high, it didn't break the candle, and after 315 the stock started, the candle started creating red. So that last 5 minutes period is when I immediately went and exited to lock my profit, to book partial profit for the day. So we were expecting 1%, 1:1 ratio, and 1:1 ratio, and more than 1%. We were looking into ratio at least 1.5:1 ratio, at least 2:1 ratio. But considering the market was dancing plus and minus, if you see, it was in negative -16, it came into plus 0.03. so those movement helped us to achieve our particular target. Anyhow, we could book up to 0.5% partial target. So hope you like this video. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, and also share this video with all your friends. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.